Drawing lesson number 13, value and shading. In art, value is the difference between light and dark. The lowest, darkest value is black. The highest, lightest value is white. All colors have value, but usually it is thought of in black and white and shades of gray. In drawings, value is added by shading. Shading with a pencil is basically making lines that are so close together that they touch. Sometimes artists even shade with their pencil held at an angle so they can use the side of the lead. You can make dark values and light values by changing the amount of pressure you put on the pencil as you shade. A good exercise to help you get better at controlling your shading is a value scale. A value scale is a rectangle divided evenly and then shaded from dark values to light. Making a value scale will help you control your pencil in two ways. You will learn to control the pressure to make even values, and you will also learn how to shade within the lines. Start with a value scale with 5 different shades. If you want more of a challenge for more exercise, try making a larger scale with more values. Or try doing a value scale where the shading is smooth with no dividing lines. In this kind of value scale, you must slowly change the pressure of your pencil to make a smooth, gradual transition from dark to light. Try it out. In drawing, shading can make objects look three-dimensional. Because the sides of the cube are turned away from the light, they are shaded. The top is a higher, lighter value because it's facing the light. The shadow points away from the light. This gives the illusion that it is three-dimensional. Try it out. Notice how adding smooth shaded values turns this circle into a three-dimensional sphere or ball. Try it out. Shading can also be done with a pen as well. There are several methods of shading with a pen. This one is called cross-hatching, which is shading with a bunch of parallel lines. You can make darker values by crossing lines over top of each other in more and more directions. Try it out. Smooth shading with cross-hatching is pretty difficult, but it is a great exercise. Start lightly and slowly and make the dark areas darker. Try it out. Shading can also create mood and emotion in artwork. Notice how different it looks when it's shaded this way, when you compare it to being shaded in this way. How are you going to use value and shading in your artwork?